What's going on, guys? Nice here on the Spooling Up channel. Today I'm back sat in the Mark 4 Golf GTI. Sadly, last night while I was driving it, it developed a misfire. I'm suspecting it was one of the coils because the exact same thing happened during my tuning session. And actually what happened was I was told to replace them all with red top coils to stop it happening again. So I've got some Audi R8 coils. Sadly, they're not here with me now. So what I'm going to do anyway is just so I can get the car back on the road, I've got a spare coil. So I'm going to be fitting this to the car. I actually picked these up from Dubtech Customs during my mapping session. So thanks God to that, man. Literally lifesaver. So I've got those. I'm going to go ahead now and try and find out what coil's blown, swap it for one of the replacement ones that I've got, and then when I get a chance I'll pick up my red top coils, and then that will be the end to all of my misfire issues that could possibly come in the future. Right, so this misfire, it's a cold start as well, but as you can hear, it's running awful and everything's shaking. So let's just go into the engine bay and see what we can work out. Now when you're removing these, be careful because I have actually snapped one of the clips on this plug for coil number 1. You just really want to kind of get your thumb into the plug bit at the back, push it back, grab the plug and then slide it off the coil. It's not difficult, but of course we all know plastic gets brittle. So that's all 4 coils unplugged. Oh, that one's in there nice and tight. Time to pull all of these out. This one's actually brand new. That one I believe has failed. I'm aware that these coils with the sort of indentation on top are actually newer than these old flat type ones. The top of it's completely flat. I've blown a couple of these now, but it's time to get these Audi R8 ones in, so we're laughing really. Now here's one of the adapters. What these do is they just sit down there like so, because what happens is these new Audi R8 coils are actually longer than these ones, so the adapter needs to be there kind of like a spacer for the new coil. And I just looked on the back of one of them, it's actually got an Audi logo, so I'm not too sure what the story is behind these, but or what car they come off or whatever, but let's go ahead and get these fitted for every cylinder. Now these can take a little bit of persuasion to get the little tabs on the end into those bolt holes, but once they're in there, they're solid and they're not going anywhere. So once you've done that, it's time to get the coils in. Now all the coils are in position and pushed down, give them a good firm push down. It's time to connect the loom back up, and then next thing, we'll start it. I'll go for a test drive, but I'll just go for a test drive. I won't film it because it's a bit pointless. I've only changed the coils. But hopefully that misfire is completely gone, and obviously as well things look a lot better in the engine bay, look a lot more solid and sturdy. So yeah, that's that on the installation anyway. Right guys, so that's done now. Fitted those Audi R8 TFSI coils and the adapters. Car's running really nice and smooth. Thank God it got rid of my misfire, and it's also giving me confidence to keep on driving the car because it will no longer be blowing those coils. If you do buy red top coils, make sure that you get the TFSI ones. Do not buy the OEM red ones because they are also for sale on Awesome GTI. I think I paid about £142 for these with those adapters. It's probably one of the best deals going out there. I know there are some other companies that sell them, and they sell like the whole adapter plate and bolt down kit and everything. Guys, I'll let you know how this goes. I think some of those bolt down kits are pretty expensive. They're like £50 just to hold the coils in place. So anyway, look guys, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks to anyone who's been showing support, and guys, I'll see you on the next video.